Hello, I'm Jack from Reliance Medical. We're your first aid partner, and I'm here to talk to you about rules and regulations and our product range. So first aid is in your range because the law says every business has to have a first aid kit. It states that an employer must provide a provision of first aid for their employees. Our range is built from our Aura 3 box, which is shown over here. Each of these boxes is 100% recycled plastic and 100% recyclable. The move towards iconology on the front of the box hopefully makes it easier for you guys to recognise which kit is which and what's going to be inside each of them. The green ones are first aid kits, the blue is an eye wash station, the orange is a burns kit, the red is a buffered phosphate chemical splash station, and the yellow is a biohazard or sharps cleanup kit. With regards to regulation, the law states that you must follow BS 8599-1. This is also endorsed by the HSE, and it's the only recognised first aid standard in the UK.